Today, my husband came home with a huge bag of vegetables. I thought to organize it in fridge, but the moment I opened the fridge, I got headache. It was like a view after earthquake. There was some unwanted wastage too. It's been quite some time now. I am postponing this cleaning, so I decided to clean it immediately instead of delaying it. And you know what? After cleaning, it felt so calm and relaxed. Sometimes small things we avoid become bigger burden in our mind, but once we do them, we feel lighter instantly. So if there is something you have been postponing to, maybe today is the day to finish it. Let me know in the comments what is that one thing you are postponing and wish to complete it today. In life, don't let small tasks become mental stress. Stay happy